boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here again. So we are going to work on this paper right here. It is Classify and Categorize. So I want to say it's like the fourth one in your packet. So if you guys want to get this out, and then we just need a pencil, but Mrs. Hanson is going to use the pen so you guys can see it better. So we've been talking about this in math too, so it kind of works out. We've been talking about putting things in certain categories. So it could be by shape, it could be by color, it could be by animal, it could be by type of food. So for this one, we are talking about words for taste, so how something tastes, and words for looks, so how it looks or how you see it. So we have a couple words at the bottom. We have sweet, shiny, spotted, and spicy. So let's think about it. We have to put it in a category for words for taste or words for looks. So when you think about something sweet, are you getting that it's sweet by just looking at it? Like, does it look sweet or does it taste sweet? Something could look sweet. So that one's kind of a trick question. But what's the first thing you think about when you're thinking about sweet? I think about taste. So if something tastes sweet to me. So we want to put the word sweet in our words for taste. So Mrs. Hanson is going to write the word sweet. I'm actually going to cross it off on the bottom so I know. See, I crossed it off down there and I wrote the word sweet right here for my words for taste. So let's look at the next word. We have the word shiny. So if something is shiny, can you taste shiny or can you see something shiny? What do you guys think? I think of looks. So I can see something is shiny. I can't taste it if it's shiny. And if it's shiny, I might not want to put it in my mouth. So we are going to put shiny under words for looks. So write the word shiny and you can copy it right from there. Then you're going to cross it up. So you can see we have sweet underneath taste and shiny underneath looks. So then our next one that is next to shiny is spotted. So is that a word for taste or is that a word for looks? Can you taste something spotted or is that something you need to see? That is something that we need to see. So we're going to put spotted under looks. So you can't taste if something is spotted. So I wrote spotted underneath shiny because that's something for looks, and then I crossed it off. Now our last one on there is spicy. So is that something that you taste? Is spicy a taste word or is spicy a word that you can see? Spicy is a word for taste. Because you can't, you might be able to look at something like that looks kind of spicy, depending on what kind of seasonings or peppers it has. But you really don't know until you taste it, right? So we are going to write the word spicy for our taste. So we have sweet and spicy for taste and shiny and spotted for words for looks. Now let's try to think of our words on our own. This is where I really wish I could hear what you guys are saying because I know you guys would come up with the most amazing words to put in this category. And I only got the words that I'm coming up with in my head. So let's see, a word for taste. Oh, I have a perfect one. From our story, Chameleon, Chameleon, what kind of bug did he want to eat? He wanted a juicy bug. So can you taste something juicy? Yes, so let's put our word juicy. So you're going to spell juicy J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. So Mrs. Hanson wrote juicy underneath spicy. Now what about looks? We have shiny and spotted. What is something else that we could tell by looking at it? Maybe striped. How does that sound? We can have a striped tiger. Let's write the word striped for look. So STRIPED for the word striped, because we are able to see if something is striped. What about another word for taste? What is another word you guys can think of for taste? What about sour? Can something be sour? You could have sour grapes. You could have sour candy. Let's write the word sour. S-O-U-R, sour. So I have my word sour underneath my word juicy. And I'm going to think of one more for my looks. We have shiny, spotted, striped. What about looks colorful? Remember in the book Chameleon, Chameleon, the chameleon got colorful to show the other chameleon that he was friendly. So let's do colorful, because that's something that you can see. You can't taste colorful. So colorful is COLORFUL. Colorful. So now we have 4 in our taste category and 4 in our looks category. Now, this is where I want you guys to come up with some of your own words. I'd like you to come up with at least one for each of your categories on your own. So over here, if you want to do more, you can, but at least one more word to describe taste, and at least one more word to describe looks. So I know that you guys understand the difference between taste and looks and putting stuff in categories. So make sure that it's something that you can tell through taste, and make sure that over here it's something that you can tell by looking at it. So that's what I want you guys to do. Use Mrs. Hanson's ideas and then come up with your own. And if you come up with more, that will make me so happy, because I love seeing what you guys come up with. And I know your guys' words are going to be way more creative than mine. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye, guys.